Here's some top tips for keeping your new wall panels in pristine condition. If you don't take the time to wipe them down, dirt and grime can gradually build up. Vinegar is the most natural solution for cleaning. You can either dilute the vinegar or apply it straight to your wall panels. Remember to test on a small patch to make sure it doesn't damage them. You can always use washing up liquid. Add a few drops to some water before applying. Then rinse the panels and wipe dry. Don't be tempted to use abrasive cleaning products such as scouring pads or steel wool. Stick to sponges and soft cloths. And remember to keep your bathroom well ventilated and as light as possible to prevent excessive mildew growth.